Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, on the gold chart there is not much to add. Obviously gold is working in line with expectations at the moment. It's yesterday I gave you another support zone. Now that's of course not a target, that is only support that keeps the trend going. We want to talk about that in a little bit more detail here today, now that the market is closed and now that we are heading into the weekend. I wish you all a great weekend. But the video here is designed first of all to wrap up the week, but also to prepare you for the new trading week. Yeah, because completion of 1 week means another week is coming. And quick reminder, my thesis here is that we completed from the 2022 low a wave 1 in an ABC structure. A larger wave 4 bottomed here. We have an ABC in wave 1. We had a wave 2. We're now in a third wave, which is an ABC structure. It is A, B, and we're now in the C wave to the upside. Yeah. So no, sorry, it's one second. Where's that fifth wave? That's gone, isn't it? Maybe I moved it accidentally. I think I moved it. Yeah, so I got confused a little. Bit. No, the wave count is as such, A, B, C in A. Then we have a B, and we're now in the C wave. Yeah, I think it's all. I need to tidy it up, but it's A, B, C in wave 3, because wave 1 was also an ABC. So wave 3 also needs to be an A, B, C. And the A wave itself is a 3-wave move. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here at the moment. The idea is as well that after the third wave, we should get another 4-5 pattern, which would lead to a long-term top. Okay, so I'm looking for another 4-5 pattern, at least based on what I can see right now. I mean, that might change, but so far this forecast, I have to say, gold is really going really well. It's been following the forecast. Of course, it cannot predict every single wave, but gold has been behaving really well. Probably even better than Bitcoin, for anybody who's been following my crypto analysis as well on the other channel. So gold is very reliable. It's not moving up in an impulse, which might cause some analysts to see this as a corrective rally. And in a sense, it is a corrective rally, but it just doesn't fit into the context. So anybody who's using the long-term chart could see that this here was a 4th wave low, and that we're just moving in a 5th wave, and these can be ending diagonals, A, B, C in wave 1, then a wave 2. In today's markets, diagonal patterns are much more common than impulses. So we could be in the late stages of that third wave that might drive us closer to the $3,000 mark, and then we could still see another 4-5 pattern. So looking at the 1 hour chart, idea is that, we could have started here off this circle 3. We could have started wave 1 of circle 3. The thing is, it depends a little bit on how long this, how high this goes. I think I gave you yesterday a target area. Let me just double check that. Yeah. So wave C of circle 3 should take us to 2,739. Can go higher, but at the moment I think this would still work. With this being a wave 1, then we could maybe get a wave 2 pullback next week. Let me adjust support for that. So I said to you yesterday, we have no indication of a top, and we still have no indication of a top, but I think next week we need to check if wave 2 is starting. Support is now between 2,526 and 2,571. Then from there, I would be watching for a third wave. Second, third, then another 4th, and another 5th. Of C, of circle 3, then another 4-5. This is, a very, very complex wave count. It is complex. It is not your, let's say, simple Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse. It's a very complex diagonal structure with even diagonal patterns in the subwaves, like for example the C waves within the sub. It's complex. So I'm quite impressed that it actually follows this, because these diagonals typically change all the time. But yeah, this is at the moment what we're dealing with. Support area is clear. Next upside targets are clear as well. And I think next week we have to watch for a pullback, which could be an opportunity as long as it's holding 2,526. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.